everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I have a brand new kit to share with you. It is called our Storyteller page kit, and it is a double page layout kit that we will be releasing every month for 2023 to create your very own story telling your year. So the idea is every month you create a double page layout of the previous month. So obviously we're releasing January's now on the 1st of Feb so that you can lift January and then you can scrapbook your photos. So at the end of the 12 months, you will have an entire album of your year. And the idea is to use your everyday photos, those snaps you take on your phone, not those beautiful shots that you are going to make a gorgeous art page of. This is everyday storytelling, using the pictures and creating a gorgeous layout. So let me tell you about this kit. So Maria Aloisi is our designer that will be designing your double page every single month. So there'll be some consistency through there. They retail for $27 unless you're a subscriber. If your subscribers can get them a little bit cheaper, because we just want to say thanks for subscribing. And they will come out on the 1st of every month. So this is the first one. This kit is not like our usual kits where you get full packets of everything. It is still great value. The RRP, if you bought all these items in this kit, is $32.50 and you're only paying $27. But the idea is to just use this product to create your year, scrap your year. So in this kit, you're getting some of our lace. So it's not a whole packet, it's just how much you need. And you're getting some flowers. Again, just how much you need. You will be getting some of our bling, and these are our vellum or mixed creative cuts, I think, and these are numbers and letters. The reason we're giving you these in the first one is because if you choose to do this as scrapping your whole year, you're going to use your titles on there. Now you don't need to, you could put whatever title you want on there. You could use it for 12 fun things you did throughout 2023 and you don't necessarily want to put the months, but we have that option. Then there is a whole bunch of papers that are from all different collections. Now all of these papers go beautifully together, but if I showed you all the other sides, you'd be like, wow, they look nothing like they should be going together. But all the B sides all work absolutely stunningly together. This is fussy cutting, more fussy cutting. However, in saying that, that is great for backgrounds and more background. So these are the pages you'll be getting in the kit. There is also a full instruction book, step by step, on how to create this layout. So these kits are great for time poor people. They are just gonna sit down once a month to do one layout. They're gonna create this double page using their photos that they have taken in January, just printing them off, getting them done, and scrapping. So time poor people on a budget, you're gonna love this kit. They will be releasing every month on the 1st. They will not be a subscription. It will just literally be a first come, first served basis. We have put a certain amount aside for our subscribers to add on to their subscription. But apart from that, you can just jump online and order them on the 1st of every month. So I hope you like this one here. This is our January Storyteller kit, and will be available for you to purchase from today. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.